realized business opportunity literally just launched. But let's put that aside for a moment because a business opportunity means nothing unless there's something really compelling that they're offering and some solution to a major problem that they're solving. Look at these signals. Signals are when you're told it's just financial information, it's your decision, but you're told when to sell and when to buy, and you can follow those signals and make cryptocurrency, in this case, make Bitcoin and make money. And their historical data shows, if you look at the signals, you would have made a lot of money and a lot of Bitcoin just following the signals. And on the next page, if you enter your name and email in the second video, it's going to show you exactly what you would have made following the signals. It is very impressive in a bear market. But for those who don't know, a signal just shows this red flag says sell and it went down. And then when you buy back in, you have more Bitcoin because you sold it and it dropped. And then when it says buy, like this green flag it did early this morning and it shot way up, you now have more Bitcoin because you sold here and it dropped. And now it goes way up and you make these big profits. It is impressive. And the historical data, the proof that these signals are effective is covered in the second video on the next page. Just enter your name and email and look at that. Again, I want to emphasize, this is the most impressive company I have ever seen. And the fact that they just launched and there's a business opportunity connected to it and they have heart and it's the real deal, it's beyond description. You have to discover it for yourself. And I think it starts by just looking at how effective and how much profits their signals brought over the last many months. If you would just follow them, that helps open your eyes and see, wow, they know what they're doing. But there's so much more to this. I want you to understand. But enter your name and email and look at the second video and follow the results. It's proven, it's verifiable, it's right there. If you would follow the signals, then you can learn about the other products coming out, the money markets, what their vision is, learn more about the leadership. But first, just look at the verifiable facts with these signals. Look at the historical data back to January, second video on the next page. We understand how incredible it is that they were profiting with the signals in a bear market, everyone following these. It's extraordinarily inexpensive, by the way. People are covering the cost of this within their first day or their first week of trading. That's not the issue at all. And one of the biggest things that I love about this is their CEO is so conservative, and yet they're growing our Bitcoin and growing our money. But as he says, it's not just about growing our money, but also protecting it. And that's just a message you don't get in the crypto market very much. Very, very impressive. So I'm excited about the business opportunity because of what I see the company stands for, because of the integrity, because I know this is the real deal, because I've been following the signals and for the first time have confidence and am able to consistently profit in trading cryptocurrency. But you have to start somewhere. Start by entering your name and email and figure this out on your own because it's simple. But take the step, enter your name and email, give a good email or you're going to miss all of the verifiable information that we send you for you to see this is real and discover that on your own. So enter a good email and on the next page, look at the second video to see the historical proof of what you would have made during the bear market since January, during the toughest time in the crypto market, if you would follow the signals. Oh, and by the way, in case you don't realize this is not one of those schemy, scammy things where you give someone else your Bitcoin. You hold your Bitcoin here. You never give it to anybody else. This is the real deal, guys. Enter your name and email, check it out for yourself, and start with the verifiable facts, and then we can connect.